Hey guys, Lakeisha McKinnon here, talking about the tea tree oil serum from Farmasi, the Dr. Tuna line. And basically, I ordered some extra products so that I would know what I'm repping. I ordered the extra products, and when they came, it came in a box like this. And the first thing that I could smell was this. Now this is the tea tree oil serum, and basically this is how it looks. And it says that it has purifying properties because of the tea tree oil. It helps reduce skin imperfections, and it provides smooth skin. So you apply a drop of the serum or drops of the serum to clean skin areas where needed. I have a little mark right here, so I'll put some on there and I'll see in a few weeks what happens. A burn right here. Put some on there and we'll see what happens in a few weeks. It's $9.90, and I do see that it's step 1 of a 2-part system, but I have step 1, so that's what I've been using. Again, this is in the catalog, but it's in the Dr. Tuna side. I get my products half off, and if that's something that you're interested in learning more about, the link is in the comments. If not, have a great day.